Okay, guys. So I will just stop sharing for 2 minutes because I just want to have a look of all you who all are joined, and I just want somebody can please confirm me that I am properly audible because that is most important. Just
Yes,
so
ma'am, you are.
okay, thank you, Hital. Okay, guys, so welcome on behalf of VBS and good afternoon. And I'm sure who all are joined are curious about know this specialization. So we will be talking about international business, okay, IB as a specialization. So before we start this particular PPT, or I should say a more information that which I would like to give you. I want to know, and I request all of you try to make this session more interactive. It's like I'm not here to give you some theory or something, teach you something. No, that you are going to learn when you will be joining the classes. So here I am to give you just an idea how this IB specialization can help you in your career in future, in your postgraduate program. So now, what do you have any certain question regarding this specialization or why this, what is this, anything you can just ask or you can put in the chat box and then we will start today's discussion. So do you have any particular query, anyone, any students specifically, Chandrakant, Abhishek, Pratiksha, I can see some name here. Anybody having any questions regarding it? No. Is it clear? Everybody is very sure that what IB, you don't have any, or you are blank about it, still it's okay. I'm going to help you to solve your query regarding this, what IB is all about. So let's start our discussion with a small video. We all have seen this video, I'm sure, but I want to bring your attention to a different, you can say a different approach. So just see this video first, then we will discuss. So just give me a 1 second. I'm sharing the video with you. Just give me a 1 second. Also, please let me know whether you can hear the sound or not. Can you hear the sound? Anybody can please confirm?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Fine. I think I need to change the presentation mode then. So I will change again.
flashback की वीडियो है हेलो
या
मैम फ्लैशबैक वीडियो है
मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ, आप देखिए अभी मेरे हिसाब से आपको सुनाई देगा. I have done some changes in the setting.
मैम साउंड ही नहीं होना
I know. Can you hear it now?
Aryan, we are flying to.
Yes, ma'am. We can hear it.
So now we'll see this.
Aryan, we are flying to New York to visit your father.
With a German airline. You know Germans? No. They are a bit different, always serious. Their movies are always grey. Probably they have not even heard of Bollywood. And their food.
Namaste.
We are in the wrong place.
Huh? No. Everything is fine.
Non-stop you. Lufthansa.
Okay. So now, when you have seen this particular video, any idea that what this commercial want to tell? Anybody, can you just unmute yourself and you can also put your answers in the chat box. Any idea what this advertisement is trying to communicate? Anyone? Anyone?
Yes,
Anurag? Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, we can hear you. Can you please speak?
मैम इसमें इंटरनेशनल बिजनेस के बारे में बताया।
Okay, इसमें okay. What else? Anybody else want to say something? I'm sure you all have seen this video.
Promoting Lufthansa Airways.
Okay, yes, very right. The advertisements are these advertisements, in fact, in general, also advertisement for the promoting. But Manoj, anything you observe specifically in this particular commercial, what they want to say?
Like they're trying to say the airways is safe and we can travel as a family, like the members and like the staff will be as the members of the family and they will take care of us.
Okay.
Very good. I mean, very
Very
nice.
good, very good effort. I can read the comments from Pratiksha. Pratiksha said that making yourself feel at home even if you are not there. Okay, very good. So you can say that, as Manoj is also rightly saying, Chandrakant is also saying that it's more about giving you a homely feeling. Now, I request you, the advertisement is available on YouTube. You watch that advertisement aram se whenever you are at free time. Just look at what they are trying to say. The grandpa is explaining a kid that वहां पे वो जर्मन है, वहां पे जर्मन एयरलाइंस है, बहुत कुछ अलग रहेगा, फूड अलग रहता है, कस्टम्स अलग रहते हैं, they are very rude or they are very strict, and then the experience is different. Now, why I want to show you this particular advertisement at the beginning of the today's presentation, because I want to bring your attention to the fact that now the business is not restricted just to the boundaries, not restricted to Mumbai or Maharashtra or India. It's beyond that. So now this specialization is trying to give you a global, you can say a global exposure. So now throughout the presentation, throughout the next 30-40 minutes, I request all of you, whatever queries you have, just be free. आप हिंदी में बोलना चाहे, if you want I should mix Hindi and English, I'm fine with it. If you want purely in Hindi or this also, that I can try. But I want at the end of a session, you should be able to understand the importance of this particular specialization. Okay, right guys? So anything you want to say, please put in the chat box or you can unmute and you can ask me. So feel free, make the session useful and make it that, yes, you are learning something. So let's start with the presentation. So I'm sharing the PPT. I hope you all are able to see the PPT. So now I am following your presentation from last 2-3 days, from Monday onwards. So classes are going on. Now, can you see the second slide? You can see, right? So sometimes because it stopped, you can see you are on the second slide. You all can, anybody can please confirm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good, very good. So now, as I also attended some of the sessions, the previous session which you all are attending, I think you have gone through marketing, you have gone through finance, operations, and the different specialization. Now the question comes, why you should select a particular specialization. So now before moving again forward, I just want to ask you, because we all are talking about, we all are in the era of surrounded with the medical uncertainty, unfortunately. Yeah, somebody want to say something? Okay. So now I would like to ask you, अगर हमारे दांत में दर्द होता है, if you have a pain in teeth, where you will go? Anybody just unmute and can answer? दांत में दुखने लगा, क्या करोगे आप लोग? I cannot read your chat boxes right now, so you have to unmute, or yeah, I can see the chat boxes. Anybody, if you have pain in your teeth, आपके दांत में दर्द है, आप क्या करेंगे? किसके पास जाएंगे?
Consult to a dentist.
Yeah, nowadays, obviously, we might be not physically going, but we'll go and consult a dentist. Okay, now similarly, if you got a skin infection, you will go to dermatologist. Similarly, if a kid at home is having a problem, you will go to pediatrician. The reason is that now the era has gone where just doing an MBA in HR or operations or marketing or finance might be not enough to get you a good job, to get you a good opportunity, to get you the good package. We will be talking about all that, which type of a job and everything I'm going to tell you. So the first important question you all should have in your mind, yes, should I take marketing as my specialization? Is it enough? Or operations or HR or finance? Why not to think about IB? It is international business. So the very first misconception you all might have, or generally the student have, that international business बोला तो foreign में हमको placement मिल जाएगा या हमको foreign की कंपनियों में approach करना पड़ेगा. ये नहीं है. Okay guys, so this is not completely true. Yeah, a part is that you can get an opportunity, but it is not necessary that you will always get a job in overseas, or you are restricted that Indian company will not hire you. No, Indian company will hire you. So whenever you decided now, as you all are aspiring candidate of MBA courses, you should first thing be very, very clear, at least in first year or first 1 or 2 semester, that which specialization I want. So yes, we are offering IB also one of specialization. And when, just a minute. Okay. So now what is this IB? IB is basically the business activities needed for creating, shipping, and selling goods and services across national borders with multiple countries. I have intentionally put a very simple definition, and in fact, I'm not talking about more than that in any of my PPTs. The reason is that rest we will teach you in the 2 years. But the question is that if you just read this 2.5 lines, you will find out, is the job exist around this 4 or 5 words? Yes. You have an option of getting job in product related business as well as service. You might be designing a product for the the international consumers. You are dealing with a logistic companies who are and where you can get a job. You are designing and selling the international clients. You are managing the international customers sitting right here in India in a Mumbai office, or you might be working in Dubai or traveling around the world. So international business is basically managing the various activities. Now, somebody may ask, and very, very, very actual genuine very question is, कि इसमें marketing related ही job आएंगे क्या? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. You might have to do the finance related jobs. You may have even international HR related businesses, operations, logistics, marketing, obviously sales. So yes, international business is not just about the profile or a theory which is related to the marketing. It's more than that. Okay, so don't assume कि अरे मुझे interest तो finance में है और मैं analysis करना चाहता हूँ या मुझे finance में अच्छे से बात करना है या अच्छा काम करना है, तो international business is not my cup of tea. No, you are wrong. I will be also showing you the syllabus which we'll taught you in the 2 years. So the things will be much more clear. So international business is all the activities which roam around creating, shipping, and selling goods and services across national borders. So you are dealing a customer sitting in Dubai, and you are dealing a customer sitting in US, you are dealing a customer sitting in UK, and all. So this is all about your international business. So this is one of the specialization which VBS is offering. And the most important thing is that I'm sure you all are concerned that job क्या मिलेगा अगर मैं एक international business की degree लेके, if I go in the market and some of my friends are having finance, marketing, operations, HR or XYZ, I know उनको किस type के job मिलते हैं. मुझे क्या मिलेगा? आपको बहुत कुछ मिलेगा. आपको बहुत specific job भी मिल सकते हैं. आपको कुछ specialized job भी मिल सकते हैं. आपको कुछ less traditional job भी मिल सकते हैं. And आपको कुछ बहुत ही specific और job भी मिल सकते हैं. I'm sure you are able to see my screen because sometimes Zoom have a problem that I'm scrolling the screen and you cannot. So somebody can just put in the chat box that you can see the screen. You can screen that that specialized job and all that. Can you see that international? Okay, very good, Hekvi. One more trick behind why asking you so many questions is I want that you all should listen. And again, I'm telling you, I want that I should speak less, you should ask me more. So coming back to that, if you have a degree as an international business major, it's a very common term. So I have a degree that you have done, let's say you adopt this particular, select this particular specialization and you have a PGDM in international business. So the most common jobs which you will encounter in the industry will be either financial analyst, marketing and sales manager, business operations specialist. So these are the area where commonly you will get a job. So first, remove the idea from your mind कि अरे यार मैंने IB की डिग्री ले ली तो मुझे बहुत कम जॉब मिलेंगे, ऐसा नहीं है. मैं जब भी आपको सिलेबस दिखाने वाली हूँ and I will also tell you which companies are generally have a job related to this IB, you will be surprised. Then there are some jobs that is known as very specific, that will be very unique job, like foreign exchange consultant. Now understand, you have an opening for a common jobs also. So nobody will stop you because you have the basic knowledge of business. But you will have a one more opening whether you only know what is foreign exchange policy, what are the EXIM policies, what are the international trade policies, and you will open a one more gate for you to get a good job. Budget analyst, international sales representative, which a normal MBA guy will not be able to get placed. So this is somewhere you open the opportunity. So you can also be a financial advisor, accountant. Believe me, there are a lot of openings where the internationally जो भी business होता है वहाँ पे account के लिए opening रहता है. Because आज if I am doing the business with China, they have a different closing time. They have a different way of closing. They have a different sort of policies. I need to know that. Financial managers. And as well as you can also have a business professor if you're really interested in academics, economics teachers, schools also, and as well as the business reporter. Business reporter काफी कम होता है. It's more, you can say, theoretical or literature related job, but still that is in demand. So this is in general what you get. Now I will show you something very interesting, that if you select the doing and decide to do an MBA in IB, international business, how you will be different from the others. You will be able to handle the diversity better than the average person, because in the course, throughout the course, you will learn that how their culture is, how my consumers in America behave, then they are behaving in Dubai. Believe me, they behave very, very differently. As I am a consumer behavior faculty, so we generally discuss in the class that from the ingredients of a product to the color of a product preferred by the different country people is very, very different. In India, we love to have a product in bright colors, right? Like blue, yellow, red. China में भी red काफी famous है. Japan में भी blue को ज़्यादा importance दिया जाता है. So look at their preferences are very, very different. You will be more closer to get your dream job. You will expand your professional network, because when you are helping and you are working the international clients, your opportunity increases. You are talking to the international clients, there might be chances in future you will also get a job in foreign countries. Okay, and then your entrepreneur ambition gets wings, your professional footprints expand beyond the possibilities. So now you are not with just specialized marketing or HR, you have a more than that. Just for going to the next slide, I have one question on my screen, on my chat box. I'm doing a BBA in international business, so it is necessary to MBA in IB or go for logistic or SCM. Aman, as you are already doing a BBA in international business, choice is completely yours. In fact, I will explain this much more in detail in next section. We have the students who are engineers, okay, or generally engineers लोगों का रहता है. I myself is I'm an engineer, I'm a biotech engineer. They generally feel कि अभी engineering कर लिया है, हम marketing लेके क्या करेंगे, या हम लोग ना finance नहीं पढ़ सकते, because engineer लोगों का थोड़ा सा problem होता है account से related. So ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, ये totally आप पे depend करता है. And the most important, how you justify during the placement. Okay, when you're sitting in front of a recruiter and recruiter will ask you clearly that Aman, you have a degree in international business, why you opt for a logistic or SCM or operations? Why don't you go for a higher degree in IB only? So the choice is yours, but remember what could be the consequences when you will be sitting in front of a recruiter, because your objective, I'm sure who all are here, all the students' objective is to get a good package job, right? So Aman, I'm little bit clear. We'll discuss much more in detail after the session get closed. Is it clear, Aman? Can you just put yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for it.
Yeah. We'll discuss much more in detail at the session. Okay.
Yeah.
So now this degree makes you different, and now what I want to show you very interesting is that I was just preparing for the session yesterday, and I thought, why not to check some opportunities available in the market. This is my LinkedIn account, and I just put in the LinkedIn account this international business as a keyword. I haven't choose anything in location. I would have changed it also, so I am sure I would have get a good job. So when I put this international business, I get lot of job openings which focuses on the international business. And then here you can find out the desired skills, sales, marketing, business development, and specifically this international business. Now take a scenario. If you have a degree in any other, just a basic degree. So now whether you will be eligible for that particular position, शायद नहीं. But वहीं अगर आपके पास एक specific degree है, तो शायद आपके chances to getting selected from lot of crowd increases. Similarly, what I have done same for, I think this is, I don't remember, but I think this is again a job portal. This is Naukri.com, right? This is Naukri.com job portal. Now here also I just put randomly international marketing executive. And then here I can find out a lot of openings which talks about working in the international market. Believe me, because I personally, my husband works in a bank and he is having a degree. I'm sharing my personal experience, and as we both are MBA. So we generally discuss, okay, what is the problem? Because I came in education industry, he is in a bank. He was having a simple degree in MBA in marketing, because it's a long back story. There was no IB specialization that time. But believe me, as he is working with a MNC bank and he has to handle the different clients, he's handling clients from UK and China and all XYZ countries, he has to spend his at least starting 5-6 years to just study this market, because each market works differently. The language is different. The time zone is different. The culture is different. Just go back to the Lufthansa advertisement, which I show you at the starting. I have a perception, means as an Indian consumer, we have a perception that Germans are very, very rude, we'll not get a good food. They don't behave properly, but that is wrong. Because nowadays, knowing your customer, though it might be your international market, it is very, very important. So you will not have any kami of job if you take this particular degree. And these are the sectors where you may look for your job, getting a degree in IB. So now the question comes, is there any more industry? So in fact, I have write down all the sectors. So yes, export import management. In fact, Aman, I think, asked me that मैं IB में कर रहा हूँ, मुझे जरूरी है क्या? So he has having an open ground. He can offer a IB, which may help him not getting a question during the recruitment process. बोलेंगे हाँ मैंने specialization किया, मैं और ज़्यादा specialized हुआ. But yes, you can go with the SCM and other specialization also. So you can get a job in export import management, brand management. You are developing the international brands, logistic management, as Aman asked me, international marketing, foreign exchange management, compliance management. My husband works in compliance management, and believe me, he has to sit and read all the rules, regulations, and then the government policies and everything. MNCs, I think I need not to explain you, banks, retail sector, travel and tourism department, hospitality, courier, international chains, airlines, international logistics, and many more. So the first perception which we all generally have okay, IB की degree लेके should I go to only just MNC? No, it's not true. Just look at much more in detail the same thing. Now, this is not done by me. I haven't, मैंने कोई analysis नहीं किया या मैं assumption से आपको नहीं बता रही हूँ. Now, if you see this particular profile or this particular slide, this is the job profile you may get from these employees when you have a degree of international business. Okay, so if you have a degree of international business, these employers or these company may hire you for the profile of area sales manager, business development manager, marketing manager, operation, business development executive, investment banker, and so on. So if you are much more interested, just go to the PayScale website. There you will get a much more in detail. So yes, CIPLA can hire you as an international marketing manager if you have a degree of IB. Shayad, if you have a degree of marketing, they may hesitate. Okay, he or she might not have that much skills. So if you are working in TCS and if you have a degree of international business, IB, PGDM, there are more chances you will get hired by them. In fact, I just want to tell you why we started this specialization, because we understand the need of this specialization. Because in our college, we have a habit of taking a feedback from employees. And when the companies were coming to our college and they were asking for a specific skill, and then when we feel that, oh, I think that is a somewhere gap we need to fill, because there is a demand of an international business course in the market, and then only we launch this particular specialization. So yes, this is based on a feedback what we got in the industry. So even if you want this particular slide, you can tell Nilesh to share with you. I can share this particular slide with you, but it is available online. So now, if you really want to get a degree, or when you will want to work in an international market, the question comes, what should be your skills you should get, and how VESM is going to help you? So yes, you should have a business knowledge of economics of different country. You should be able to understand the modern trends in a business. You should have leadership skill, interest in business, excellent communication skill, knowledge of foreign languages. Yeah, we'll talk about that. Persuasive ability and the confidence. So here comes the VBS, PGDM specialization in IB, how we try to develop this particular skills in you. So now, before moving to the next slide, I just want to ask all of you, have you heard recent discussion about the vaccine? Okay, we all are surrounded by the uncertainty, unfortunately. How many of you heard about Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are planning to come to India, but they are doing some negotiation? Anybody having any idea why this is happening, or any comment on it? Anybody?
Temperature control.
Okay, temperature control. What else? Unfortunately, I can't see you. I can see your chat boxes, guys. So you can put in your answer in the chat box also. Okay, so temperature control. Any other reasons you have an idea? Abhishek, Akash, Alka, Aman, Anurag, Anushka. Anybody want to say something? Any idea? Why they are not coming? Why it taking time? Why the products are ready? Why they are not coming to the Aman rightly said, I was also talking about logistic only. So why there is a problem? Yeah, there is some problem with the logistic. But anybody heard the news recently in 1 and 2 days? Why this is happening? Why there is still a problem? Any idea? Anyone? You can unmute. You can type your answers in the chat boxes. See, we take the classes and we love to have the interactive classes. And believe me, when in my class, generally we have a riot of comments and we play a lot of games also. But unfortunately, here we cannot do that. But anything you have in any idea why these vaccines are taking so much time? Yeah, somebody want to say something, I think.
Because central government, because the Pfizer and the Moderna vaccine wanted to talk with the central government, and the Delhi government wanted to talk with Pfizer for a vaccine, but they decline or reject that proposal and said like they want to directly talk with central government.
Excellent, excellent, Anushka. Very good. Guys, you all have to be very, very up to date, huh? Even if you are working for Indian market or if you're working for international market. Very rightly said that it's see, there are logistic problem, there are temperature problem, there are shipment issues, there are even in India, the vaccine distribution is a major problem. But the problem exists at a different level. As rightly said by her, that it is not that the product is ready, it can easily deliver to the Indian market. No, you have to have a negotiation, because we have some policies, we have some foreign trade policies, the export import policies, because this vaccine is a very critical issue, the government is a part of it, the government discussions are going on. So now when you are dealing the international clients, you all should be aware about all this, and all these things you are going to learn the course offered by our institute. So now this is the basic structure of the PGDM IB. Again, this is available on our website, so you can go and again recheck the website. So generally, as all other courses exist, this particular course also start with your trimester. So you will be having trimester 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 onwards, and you will start with the foundation course. And in the foundation course, we have personal growth lab. Amazing this particular program is, believe me, you will get to know each other, you will get to know yourself, then you will be going through the applied economics, basic and advanced Excel, basic of finance, design thinking, basic of maths. I might be not expertise to give you info about all the specialization, because I am basically a marketing faculty, but this is what you will be learning in our foundation course. This is a small duration course which we kickstart our PGDM course, followed by the examination also. Iska bhi exam hota hai, and then we start the trimester 1. So you are ready to deal with the pressure of your PGDM degree. So we start with basics of marketing management. So there might be some student have a confusion ki अरे IB रहेगा तो हम basic हमको कुछ knowledge नहीं रहेगा क्या? No, nothing like that. In your trimester 1, you will be taught marketing management, financial accounting, and all the basic subject which any MBA student should know. So this is what you will learn in your first trimester, and then comes your second try, then comes your third try. So yes, some subjects are very common, just like the other MBA program, but here what you will start learning different from the other MBA students is your foreign language, IT for management. So foreign language, you will be taught French, Spanish, German. You can select any one, and again, you will have a second part of it, means the advanced version in your trimester 3. So as if you see, when I talked about the skills required by a good manager who want to manage the international business, should have at least knowledge of a 1 or 2 good foreign language that we cover in our course. And again, if you see the course is not just talking about a traditional MBA, but it is also talking about the modern, okay, data analytics, R programming, data visualization, which is a beautiful subject because that give you to play with the data. Then programming in Python, so you can have a lot of option. You can make your own bundle of the particular product, particular subjects, and then you can move forward. There is a certain criteria for any subject. There should be minimum 10 students. Okay, so I'm telling you upfront, so there should not be any confusion. Then comes your summer internship. So फर्स्ट ईयर में आप 3 सेमेस्टर पढ़ेंगे, उसके बाद आप समर इंटर्नशिप के लिए जाएंगे. So obviously you will be having summer internship and the CSR project. Now you may question why CSR, that too in IB, but you need it. चाहे आप इंटरनेशनल कंपनी में काम कर ले, philanthropy is the one thing which you needed. I still know lot of my student, because I am into this field from last 11 years now. They send me the letter, मैडम रिकमेंडेशन लेटर भेज दीजिए, आप CSR हेड हैं तो हमको एक ना फिलॉन्थ्रॉपी से रिलेटेड एक प्रोग्राम करना है और एक सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए हायर एजुकेशन के लिए, because lot of our students go abroad for a higher education. So this is as important as it is. If you have that degree, you have a more chances to get a better placement. Then comes your trimester 4, trimester 5, and trimester 6. So this is again, this second year is something very crucial for your specialization. Now here you can see that here we are talking more and more about international business environment. We are talking about trade finance. We are talking about exim management, global strategy, global consumer behavior. I was talking to you about how the consumers are different in each countries. So that we will talk about. We will also talk about international human resource management. So आप second year से unique बनना start हो जाएंगे. आप एक differentiating बन जाएंगे company के लिए, एक differentiating student बन जाएंगे एक industry के लिए, where you will be having a more and more chances to get recruited. Then comes your trimester 5, again very much focused to the international business. So again, more of the subjects are related to international business, and then comes your MI. So this is how your course will be in 2 years program. Then a very good highlight of our institute is, I'm not saying just our institute, but is international study tour. Now this international study tour is an elective program, okay? So it's not a part of your basically whole year this 2 years, but yes, you can elect and you can go for 1 or 2 week program abroad. So almost I think last 1 year chhod diya jaye to last 2-3 years our students are going to Europe, our students have been to China, our students have been to Spain. We have a tie-up with some of the university where students go attend some seminars, attend the workshops, and they exchange the ideas with the local students. They exchange and learn from the local faculty, and it's amazing experience. Believe me, guys, it's amazing experience. I have never been with them, but the faculties or the students who are going with them, they always come with a lot of experiences. Okay, Hetvi is again having a one question, Hetvi. Okay, so PGDM and MBA, whose demands is more in the market? Excellent. I will just take this question. I'm about to finish this PPT. I will take this question first. Your question. So back to the international study tour. Again, I'm mentioning it's an elective program, so you have to follow all the procedure which institute will tell you, and then it's a life-changing experience because it's traveling abroad is a very different thing. Because I also travel a lot of places. I travel around the world. So knowing travel tourist purpose से घूम के आना बहुत easy रहता है, बहुत fun रहता है हमारे लिए. But I for a not study tour, but I have been some of the international countries for paper presentation or for my research related work. Believe me, when you meet the people over there, the researcher over there, the student over there, your learning are far better than what you learn just sitting at your own place. So this is also option you can opt for. And in fact, if you plan to take IB, if you take IB and if it is possible for you, I request all of you to opt for this particular program. And then comes our placement. I will just click and show you. I hope it will open directly. I'm not very sure because so now I would just want to, before ending to the particular presentation, I just want to let you know that what are the companies which our students has been placed. Again, I'm telling you that it is not that if you opt for IB, your placement will be in some Europe market or US. Yes, you may get, but it is not necessary. Okay, guys, you may get a placement in your own country, but you will be handling the international client. So that difference you all need to understand. So somebody can please confirm whether you can see now the change screen, or you can see the VBS screen. Somebody can please confirm me. Yes, no. Can you see the screen? Anybody you can put in the chat box. Can you see this VBS the college ka website?
No, ma'am.
You cannot see? Okay, fine, fine. So what I will do stop sharing and again I will share. So then I think you will be able to see that. Okay. Okay, so I hope now you will be able to see this. Right? Okay. So abhi shayad aap log ko dikh raha hoga. Okay, very good. So now this is our sector-wise recruiter. So why I want to show you this? This is available on our website. Please go and check again. Now, if I just click on any of the randomly, let's see e-commerce. I think we all are working in the e-commerce right now. So now here you can find out we got so many companies and a lot of students got placed in handling the international client. We have a lot of student placed in Naukri.com, which are not working for the Indian clients. They are working for the international clients. Okay, or they might be working with some other sort of countries where this particular company is working. Hospitality and travel, if you see, Thomas Cook India or ITC hotels. So if they are placed there, they are working with a lot of international clients. So you may get an opportunity to work abroad. You may get an opportunity to work India. Having a degree of IB makes you very, very unique than the other students who will be able to sitting with you for the placement. So now this is what all about. I want to tell you IB, and I know I put it very simple, very basic words. I hope you got a little bit idea what this specialization is. So now I want to open the ground, open for the question and answer. We almost 10 minutes left. Before you all ask me some question, I will answer the Hetvi's question. So difference between PGDM and MBA. Okay. Now, Hetvi, this is a question which I think you can search online, and if you ask as many as people, every person will give you a different answer, and every people will tell no, PGDM is better, no, MBA is better. According to me, if you compare the MBA and the PGDM, it totally depends on the syllabus what you have. Okay, because I'm not a you can say I'm a totally education related person. I'm a teacher. I'm into the teaching field from so many years. For me, most important thing is what is the syllabus. So if you are getting let's see, if you compare an MBA degree and a PGDM degree, दोनों का syllabus same है. So then the choice is yours. वो choice करने में next point आता है, recognized है कि नहीं. That is very important, guys. Please check whether it is recognized or not. So this is the second thing. अभी उसके मैं थर्ड क्वेश्चन पे आती हूँ, किसकी डिमांड ज्यादा है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. आजकल कोई भी ऐसा पूछता नहीं है कि आपका PGDM है क्या, या आज का MBA है क्या, या MMS है क्या. Because in Mumbai universities basically we don't call it MBA, they call it MMS. So ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. I have a degree of MBA, and a lot of my friends have a degree of PGDM. Might be getting a more better, or you can say they are working in a big MNC. Nobody is going to ask you what is PGDM है आपका या MBA है. 3-4 चीजों से आप डिसाइड कीजिए. कोर्स में आपने क्या पढ़ा है, डिग्री रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है कि नहीं. उसके अलावा आपका इसका है ना 1 साल का है, 2 साल का है. I think Nilesh has given the details about our own MBA PGDM program. So there you can get an idea. But as a faculty, just I want to tell you, the most important is reading and syllabus and recognition. And Hetvi, I really, I would just want to give you my feedback. Looking at the syllabus of MMS by Mumbai University and the PGDM, which we have designed, I personally feel MMS syllabus in at least in Mumbai University is pretty, though they are trying to do some changes, it's pretty, you can say, very stable. There is not much variation we are able to do. But here in PGDM, it might be IB or analytics or operation. If you see, we included a lot of subjects. In fact, that is trimester. You have to literally run, because we want to give you in 2 years so many things. We'll be teaching you personal growth, we'll be teaching you language also, we'll be teaching you Python also, we'll be teaching you R programming also. So it is more update, more with the industry. So that will make you more industry ready. So this is what you should keep in mind, and then you should select. So Hetvi, is it clear from my side? Are you able
Yes,
to?
ma'am. Thank you
Okay.
very much.
Most welcome, dear. Okay, so now anybody having any questions? We have 10 minutes left. I always finish the things very early, I think. Anybody having any questions? Anyone? Akash, Alka, Anurag, Behez. Can you please pronounce your name? Behzad? Yeah, Aman, I'm coming to.
It's Bezal.
Okay, Behzad. I sorry, I cannot pronounce it. You have any question?
No, ma'am.
Sure. Are you able to understand what we discussed in last 40 minutes?
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, Aman.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you. My name is Aman.
Yeah.
Actually, my question is, if I'm going into industry as a fresher, so after PGDM or MBA or MMS, so what will be the entry level job, or what will be the profile which will be offered to us?
Okay. So let's say you don't have any experience. Generally, if you look at, you will get a executive basically मिलता है आपको. Executive बोल लीजिए, कंपनी में आप assistant business development BD का प्रोफाइल सबसे ज्यादा मिलता है, चाहे वो आपका मार्केटिंग में हो या फिर IB में हो या फिर आपका फाइनेंस में हो. Business development, so business development officer, business development executive, sales executive, marketing executive, HR executive, these are the generally you can say the job title you get. Then the type of works are obviously, and I personally feel you should have an on ground experience, so you will be having a very basic level work. So it totally depends on a company. I will give you my experience, because I after completing my MBA, I had done MBA in marketing. Long backstory, but I got recruited by Philips India. I was not having any experience. I completed my engineering and MBA. So there I got a profile was sales executive. Okay. So now what I used to do, I used to travel in the market. मेरा काम, मैं Philips में थी, मेरा काम था Philips consumer electronics and all, सब distributor को बेचना. Okay, again. Now it again comes whether you get a B2B profile or B2C profile. B2B में आप ज्यादा कंपनीज के साथ काम करते हैं, B2C में आप डायरेक्ट कस्टमर्स के साथ काम करते हैं. उसके बाद आता है आपका प्रोफाइल के बाद आता है, लेट्स सी, आपके दिमाग में कोई एक पर्टिकुलर कंपनी है अमान? डू यू हैव एनी पर्टिकुलर कंपनी और पर्टिकुलर टारगेट कंपनी in your mind?
Yes, ma'am. I actually want to go for logistics. So my base, so for my starting, I will go for Blue Dart or DHL.
Okay, very good. So now again, you have to, if you talk about the logistic particular company, you will be recruited as a might be the operational manager. Okay, so you can have an operational executive or operational manager. Now what you have to do, it totally depends on what profile they hire you. So they might be hire you for managing the things and procurement or analysis. You might be sitting in an office, DHL अगर मैं बोलूँ आपको, या Blue Dart बोलूँ, you might be sitting in a big office and just managing how the logistic is, how we can go ahead with it. So it totally depends on a company. So where I was going to the distributor to sell the products, because मेरा B2B था, तो मुझे कस्टमर से तो नहीं मिलना पड़ता था. और मैं आपको प्रोडक्ट भी बता देती हूँ. I used to sell basically, you know, the mixer, grinders and all the domestic appliances. So I was not going to the customer, but I used to go to the distributors. And believe me, ekdam ground work. Okay, so I used to go to the distributor, no product, nothing. I used to go with all that diaries and everything, and then order lena, order office mein bhejna, entry karna, everything you have to do. Similar may happen in your particular case. लॉजिस्टिक है, आपको ऑर्डर लेने से लेके मैनेजमेंट कैसा हो रहा है, कस्टमर कितना इश्यूज कर रहा है, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, लॉजिस्टिक जा रहा है क्या, आपको हो सकता है फोरकास्टिंग करने के लिए बिठाए कि क्या अगर फ्यूल प्राइसेस के कारण हाउ द कंपनी इज सफरिंग. इट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन द कंपनी व्हिच हायर्स यू. सो एनी प्लेसमेंट के पहले आपको एक प्री प्लेसमेंट टॉक दिया जाता है, उसमें आपको अच्छे से क्लियर कर देंगे. एंड आई एम वेरी happy that you are very focused what you want to do. So in fact, for much more in detail, you can just go to any job portal और वहाँ पे अपना Blue Dart और ये सब डाल के देखो, आपको आराम से उसमें मिल जाएगा जॉब प्रोफाइल में आपको किस टाइप का फ्रेशर्स को मिलता है. So that gives you a proper idea.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. One more question.
Yeah.
Actually, if such a situation, okay, if a person is going for Blue Dart or DHL, for example, if I have done MBA or PGDM, and the same person with any other basic degree, not PG, but a graduation level degree,
Right.
if we both are going for the job, so what kind of so will there be similarity between the jobs which are which will be offered, or there will be some difference between both?
Obviously there will be there will be difference between, let's say, a normal graduate person is going and you are going. First, the differences lies in the type of work assigned to you. When you have done your MBA or PGDM, obviously they assume that you have a manager's skill, right? So your responsibilities will be more, your role will be more, you will be having a more authority to do a particular things. मैं आपको एक दो example भी देती हूँ after finishing the statement. Second, there will be a difference in your packages. Okay, there will be difference in your package. मैं अभी आपको एक example देती हूँ. If you go to any good bank, I have a lot of people working in bank. In fact, my husband works in bank, as I told you. The student who comes from IIM, okay, मैं तो यहाँ पे same degree की बात कर रही हूँ. IIM से जो लोग recruit होते हैं, आपको example देती हूँ, Citibank. I think it's one of the best bank to work in India. Citibank में, if you get recruited from IIM and if you get recruited from others graduation, okay, not this, the packages is having a huge difference. The post is having a huge difference. So there is a difference. So when you will go with a degree, your work responsibility, your role, your designation, your package, they all are going to differ. जहां पे उनको पीजी नहीं चाहिए होता है, वो लिख देते हैं पीजी इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. वहां पे आप देख लीजिए आप अप्लाई करना चाहते हैं कि नहीं, मगर अगर पीजी है आपका, वो जॉब अगर डिमांड में है, पीजी चाहिए, obviously your role and your package will be different than the normal PG or not PG person. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am, for your guidance. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm still pursuing my degree, so I guess it will help me a lot in future.
Yeah, in fact, I request all of you, आप लोग ना एक थोड़ा search करो, everything is available online. आप, because you are very much focused ना, Aman, I really want, go on this logistic company website और वहाँ पे ना job descriptions और job profile आती है, वो search करो, आपको मिल जाएगा किस type की skills उनको चाहिए, so you can grow and you can nurture yourself according to that particular skills. Okay, so any other question? Anybody is having any questions? All doubts are clear? Aman, I think Christine has written much more in detail, so I think they can give you more help. In fact, I request all of you, you still have any doubt, might be IB or any other specialization, please be in touch with the admin team. They will surely help you, because they are very much in connect with the industry and the students and student queries, so they can help you even after the sessions. Okay, so any other questions you have? Anyone? I hope you are able to got a little bit idea, might be in a very simple language, but I hope you got a little bit idea what IB and how IB can help you. Okay, so I think no questions now. Anybody last questions? Pratiksha, Hitesh, any doubt, Hitesh? Hetvi? Abhishek, any doubt? Akash? Okay, so I think Nilesh, they don't have any doubt, and I think we finish at bingo at time, so I think we can end the session.
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much. Have a good day, everyone, and take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, most welcome, everyone. Most welcome.